Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video I am going to give you information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, which is a prestigious medical college. Here admission notice has come for Master of Public Health and other courses. So in this video I am going to give information regarding Master of Public Health, that is MPH admissions 2023 from Christian Medical College Vellore, and students who are preparing for Master of Public Health courses from CMC Vellore and other university and institutes like AIMS, Nimhan, ZIPMER, PGI-MER, IIPH, ICMR, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration and other courses. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information regarding various jobs and interviews and get the information for important questions videos. So here in this video I am going to give information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore admissions notice 2023. You can go to student section, and after this nursing PG 2023 admissions. So here this is a prospectus information bulletin for Christian Medical College Vellore for Master of Public Health and other courses. Information bulletin, Allied Health Master's Courses admissions 2023. Address is the Registrar, Christian Medical College Vellore, 632002, Tamil Nadu, India. Phone 0416 228 4255 228 4495. Email registrar@cmcvellore.ac.in. Website admissions.cmcvellore.ac.in. All courses and admissions to our college are subject to applicable regulations by university, government, statutory body, National Medical Commission. Admission to CMC Vellore are through the process described in the prospectus. Applications are invited for the MPT, MHA, MPH, Fellowship and MSc program commencing in August 2023. Courses available. So here informations for the available courses: code, course, educational eligibility, entrance exam paper, number of seats, that is open and minority network, duration, fees, approximate admission year and other years. So here specifically I am giving you information regarding Master of Public Health course, and for the other courses I will make a video soon. So name of the course code is 406. Name of the course is MPH, that is Master of Public Health. Educational qualification for this course, this may be MBBS or BDS or BBSc, BSc Nursing, BPT, BOT, graduates of IUS courses, pharmacy and engineering, postgraduates in statics, biostatics, demography, population studies, nutrition, sociology, economics, psychology, anthropology, social work, management or law. So candidates who have degree in any of these degrees, they can apply. I am giving this information again. So students who have any degree, that is MBBS or BDS or Bachelor of Vocational Science or BSc Nursing or BPT or BOT, or graduates of IUS courses or pharmacy and engineering, or postgraduates in statics, biostatics, demography, population studies, nutrition, sociology, economics or psychology or anthropology or social work or management or law. So all these streams student can apply, and entrance exam paper for this is for special category. So I will give you information regarding what is the special category also. And number of seats for open category is 7 and minority network is 8. Duration of this course is 2 years. Fees approximate admission year, that is for first year 90,500 and for other year 40,500. So this is the fees structure. So in this video, I'm going to give important information regarding this. Candidates who have completed their undergraduate courses at CMC Vellore and are currently undergoing service obligation may furnish a letter stating the same with the expected date of completion. Candidates with service obligation will need to have completed the same by 30th August 2023. Subject to change, dissertation, examination, conferences, short-term training courses, fees are to be paid separately. The management university reserves the right to revise the fee from time to time. Accommodation for MSc Biostatics, Epidemiology and Medical Physics candidates is subject to availability. If available, preference will be given to women candidates. Accommodation is not provided for MPT, MHA, MPH and fellowship courses. Admission timetable 2023. This is the important dates. 1st March 2023. Application can be accessed online. Registration has started from 1st March 2023. 3rd April 2023. Last date for submission of application form with payment. 6th April 2023. Last date for receipt of relevant supporting documents. 17th April 2023. Last date for receipt of completed sponsorship forms from NW organizations. 12th May 2023. Step 1 computer based test CBT. 20th May 2023. Announcement of step 1 result. 29th August 2023. Registration and medical checkup at Vellore. 30th August 2023. Step 2 practical test and interview. 1st September 2023. Announcement of final selection result to be announced. Registration for admission to be announced. Course begins. Dates are subject to change. So these are general instructions. The application fee includes a basic administrative fee of rupees 1200 plus a registration fee of 500 for course is applied. Application fee will not be refunded under any circumstances. So the application process, this is the application process which you can read from the website. Website is admissions.cmcvellore.ac.in and you can read all the important information from this website. I am giving you important information from my end. This is admission process. Hall ticket will be available for download on the CMC website 1 week before the examination. Hall ticket will be common for all courses. If a candidate is unable to download the hall ticket from the website, they are advised to inform the registrar office immediately. Computer based test step 1. There will be a computer based test for all the courses as detailed in the admission timetable in section 2 on the date specified at the following cities. These are the cities where entrance test will be held: Bengaluru, Bhubaneswar, Calicut, Chennai, Chittoor, Coimbatore, Ernakulam, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, Kanchipuram, Kolkata, Kollam, Kottayam, Krishnagiri, Lucknow, Madurai, Meerut, Mumbai, Patna, Puducherry, Ranipet, Salem, Thrissur, Tiruvannamalai, Thiruvananthapuram, Tirunelveli, Tirupattur, Vellore, Vijayawada and Vellupuram. The general paper non-science for Group B will consist of multiple choice question of a general nature including very basic science, general knowledge, current affairs and general ability 90 questions. So for the Master of Public Health, that is MPS course, their question paper pattern will be special. So special paper, the test paper consists of multiple choice questions relevant to the specialty for which the candidates has applied. 90 questions except for MPT, which will have 120 questions. For Master of Public Health, the test paper consists of multiple choice questions relevant to the specialty for which the candidates has applied. So relevant to the specialty questions will be for Master of Public Health related questions. 90 questions will come. All the test will be conducted in English. Questions will be conducted in English. More information regarding the entrance test and sample questions are given in Annexure 3rd, titled Information on Computer Based Test. Announcement of Step 1 result, List 2 for Step 2. The list of candidates invited for Step 2 will be put up on notice board in the college and main hospital campuses CMC. Value as per the date in the admission table in section 2. Candidates can also access the list from the website. Further, the candidates shortlisted for step 2 will be intimated by letter sent by email speed post. Being called up for step 2 does not necessarily mean selection or acceptance of eligibility. Step 2, special test and interviews. Special test and interviews for selection to the various courses will be held at Vellore as per the schedule in section 2. At the time of registration, the step 2 original certificate should be produced for verification. Attested photocopies are admissible at this stage but not when registering for admission to the respective courses. So these are important information which I have provided. So this is hostel fee for master courses approximate. For MSc Bio Statics and Epidemiology, one time match deposit 8,000, MSc Medical Physics 8,000. Hostel annual fee 25,370, MSc Medical Physics 25,370. So these important information has been provided for the admission to Master of Public Health in CMC Value 2023. And students who are preparing for various university and institutes Master of Public Health entrance exam from CMC Value, AIMS, PGIMER, TISS, JIPMER, NIMHANS, ICMR, CUET PG, and for all other university and institutes. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for various jobs and interviews and get the information for important questions videos. Thanks for watching this video.